For the domain and range, so my domain, I can go left forever, I can go right forever. However, I have to kind of hop over this vertical asymptote, so it's going to be everything except for -3. And for the range, if I look at it, I'm going down forever, I'm going up forever, but I cannot equal this horizontal asymptote of 1. So f of x or y cannot equal 1. Increasing, decreasing. As I go from left to right, I'm increasing here. So -infinity. However, I can't equal -3. So I'm getting super close to -3, but not increasing at -3. I hop over it and I'm increasing again. So I'm increasing from -3 to infinity. But I'm still increasing here, so it's becoming less and less of an increase. I don't have any decreasing. The end behavior, I'm going to look at the very left arrow and the very right arrow. For the left arrow, I'm going left, so x approaches -infinity. F of x or y is going to approach 1 because I'm getting closer and closer to 1. For my right arrow, I'm going right, so x approaches infinity because I'm always going right. And f of x is also approaching 1 here because I'm getting closer and closer to that horizontal asymptote, f of 1. Last problem down here. So again, the first thing I want to do is figure out the horizontal asymptote. I have a degree of 2 in the denominator and a degree of 2 in the numerator, so I'm going to take the coefficients. So 2 divided by, that's like pretend 1 is 2, so y equals 2 here. So when the degrees are equal, you take the coefficients in front of them. Sometimes you'll get fractions. After I do that, I want to see if I can factor this. So the denominator is difference of squares. So x minus 4, x plus 4. Numerator is a trinomial. The signs are different because the last sign is negative. I'm going to get -8 plus 3 is -5. I'm like, ooh, look at this. X minus 4 and x minus 4. So it's going to simplify to 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 4. So that means I have a whole. The x value for my whole comes from the canceled out factors. So I'm going to say x minus 4 equals 0, so x is 4. And I'm going to take that 4 and plug it into my simplified. So we're going to do 2 times 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 4. So that's 8, 11, 11 eighths. And 11 eighths is a little bit above 2. No, a little bit above 1. My bad. Between 1 and 2. Okay. Vertical asymptote. I take my simplified x plus 4 and I figure out what would make that 0. So x is -4. Put my dotted line in. For the x and y intercepts, the x-intercept, you set the simplified one, numerator equal to 0. So we're going to get 2x equals -3, x equals -3/2. So -1.5. And then for the y-intercept, I just put 0 where x is. So basically anything with an x disappears. So we're going to be left with either 3/4 or -12 divided by -16, which is still 3/4. I can use Desmos to help me find maybe a good point on the other side.